Hi guys and welcome to this new vlog. So the mic was not on.
What?
In short, I was trying to tell that we were traveling to Devanhalli for an exciting off-road event organized by Jeep India. So as always, do subscribe to our channel and watch this video till the end.
Take first. Aishwarya.
So just now we completed our registrations and we are waiting for our turn now. And as you can see, we have the Grand Cherokee, here is the Compass, and here is the Wrangler Rubicon. We also have some refreshments here. Let's quickly grab some snacks now. And as you can see, the trail here is waiting for us. So I have chosen the Wrangler. We had 4 options and I have chosen the Wrangler and he has chosen the Rubicon.
Taken the Grand Cherokee, you have taken the Wrangler Rubicon.
Okay. So yeah, stay tuned. So what we see in front is the arena and it has all the articulation and the inclination as you can see. It's not at all easy as it looks. Let's straight away jump into the car and start our trail. First with the Grand Cherokee.
The ramp breakover angle, the departure angle. Which car you usually drive?
Micro SUV.
Okay. So, in certain places, you will feel like your bumper gonna hit the area, right?
Yeah.
So you have to either change the route or either you have to take a little off to it. Like see this. If you come in a normal mini SUV, see your bumper will gonna hit the bomb, right? Usually.
Yeah.
Just carry on, carry on. This car has a 215 mm of ground clearance. That's it. On an angle, on an angle, on an angle. Move this side, stop. Straight in. Yeah. Carry on little down. So instead of hitting the ground straight away, we'll go on little angle. You can try this in your car also. Carry on little further, now down. Pick one more down. So your bumper will not hit the approach, right?
Yeah.
And if you exit on the angle also, your rear will also not hit. So by entering on an angle, you avoid the front collision and the ramp breakover angle also. Little wide. More slow. My side. Let's steering into the corner. Slowly. Check your brake here. Okay. Real slow. Stop. Start again. Yes. Slowly. Gradually increase the acceleration. Take a brake. Okay. Steering straight now. Okay. Let the vehicle settle down. Right. Then start again. Okay. Good at the back seat.
Yes.
Slowly, more slow. Stop. So this is what we are demonstrating. Stability of the car, right? So this is my side. Yes. My side. Yes. No, negative. This side. Yes. So the moment you do this, car will topple over. Right? Always have to drive towards the floor. Towards the slide. You do that? Perfect. Carry on. Go straight. Keep going. go further. Put on to the brakes now. You are driving down the vehicle slowly, slow mode slow. Yes, carry on.
So we just now completed the GC drive and we're waiting for the Rubicon now. Super excited to try that one as well. So unfortunately we couldn't shoot a lot of content with the Wrangler Rubicon, but we have the shots of the Grand Cherokee, so you will definitely see those shots. And yeah, it was an exciting event. So if you like such content, do subscribe to our channel and see you in the next vlog.